Let's talk about Rytaki gaming mouse, R650 to 16400 DPI high precision laser MMO gaming mice, 19 programmable buttons, 12 side buttons, 6 adjustable DPI levels, 4 polling rate, weight tuning cartridge for PC, black. Support macro editing, with 12 mechanical thumb grid buttons. 19 mouse buttons can be programmed by installing software which makes the mouse more intelligent and meets more demands for different games. Default DPI is 800 sextillion 160 quintillion 32 quadrillion 4 trillion 800 billion 820 million 16,400 DPI. Reasonable DPI settings from 5,016,400 DPI can be achieved through software. With DPI and DPI button, you can adjust the DPI easily to get high accuracy and consistent responsiveness at any speed. USB high-speed transmission technology, up to 1000 Hz makes it faster and more accurate than ordinary mouse. And you can switch the polling rate from 125 Hz to 1000 Hz for your preference. The back and forward button will be very helpful when browsing web. Compatible well with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, support Mac OS Note, no programming function under Mac system. Natural curves that fit snugly into your palm and smooth gliding underside tips provide you epic comfort and control. Slim ergonomic design and smooth frosted surface offer an incredible user experience.